Good morning. Well, we're starting off the day with having to fix my mistakes because I'm stupid. Cousin Eddie put a TV stand on the wrong dang direction, which I guess is par for the course. At least I can laugh at myself. I seem to do more and more stupid things as I go. So, once again, there's my in reverse TV stand. I thought, you know, I can't even tell you. It's so dumb. I start looking at this picture. There we are. And I'm looking down here and I see those things. I'm thinking, well, where's the bracket? Am I missing it? And then suddenly, oh shit came into my mind. So yeah, you know, I drilled extra holes, put extra things in there. That's for the goddamn TV. And that's supposed to be into the wall. You will never hear me brag or tell you, you know, that I'm good at this, that, or the other thing. Looking at it now, I'm just like, oh my God, why do I not read directions? And I did something else the other day that was just as stupid. So, today my ADD mission, if I can stay on task, is to fix that thing number one, put the TV up, get that set, possibly run an electric line through this open part of the ceiling so that I have an electrical outlet over here instead of this janky cord. In the past, when I put this window in, I did have a cord at the ready for my future doing this. Mara Lou's sleeping. There she is. Half a world away. We are always like there, but not. It's probably 8:30 a.m. on a Wednesday morning. I think it's the 30th of January. I have the laptop inside doing the departure from Kauswagen, her village, province, which I already had uploaded some of those videos, or at least initially I did. I think I had, you know, I have a lot of videos I make, and a lot of them will probably never see YouTube. I don't know if I had put on here that I was taking down the old cat thing. Okay, so before my ADD mind gets any worse, I better get going on this project and try to fix and repair. If I edit later, the proper way that you put the TV mount on. Even comes with a little thing to level it out, you know? So, yeah, nothing wrong with reading directions. You know, I could have done one of those fancy opening of the box things and told you they're styrofoam and it comes with a remote control, and you know, I think we all kind of know this, right? Of course, those are all the YouTubers that are probably making $6 grand a month on this stuff. But so for right now, I'm gonna put this mount on properly. I have some spacers and washers and Phillips screw coming up, so that's what we're doing. All right, let's see. So we didn't need parts B, and I will take off the plastic. The thing I like about this is it just swivels every which way. So for the hot tub, I have that good. So, all right. It's still early. I'm almost done with one project. There's some real television. Is that the graham cracker one? I was thinking about that graham cracker.
GoPro, stop recording.
We have television, and it is good, and we have beer. Okay, I am going to pause this and we will go on to the next thing. And I can edit this, so why am I talking anyways? I can just fade into the thing. Isn't that what they do? They put the hand there. But I don't want to get the lens dirty.